This I think we'll discuss over the evening. What I really wanted to share was what is happening in the industry at an aggregate level. Whether in the emerging markets or in India, what do we see as trends in the next 3 to 5 years, which becomes a very, very important factor of making the right investments for the future. Uh, I think we've discussed a lot from products to platforms. We've heard about subscriptions. Let me quickly move on to, I think on behalf of the organization, thank you very much to each one of you. I think we crossed $10 billion of revenue last year. So thanks a lot to each one of you. I'll quickly merge. I think the only statement here is, this is the year where we celebrate 30 years of our existence in India. Again, thank you very much for all your support over the last 30 years. From what distribution organizations used to be 30 years back, credit to availability of working capital to supply chain to the world is completely changed today. It's about availability of technology. One of the things that we all firmly believe in now, with hundreds of technologies being available and the capability for each one of those technologies in every partner organization, is next to impossible, right? How do we enable that? So in the last about 12 to 14 months, we've deployed close to 100 pre-sales resources only to enable our partners. Please utilize those resources for your set of customers. Because what is happening is, the partners are also becoming specialists, right? So to the same customer organization, there are multiple partners catering to multiple technologies in the customer space, which is also adding to a lot of complexity in the customer space. A lot of enterprise customers are actually wanting somebody to manage the entire tech stack for them. Use those investments that we've done. They're all free of cost, but we have the capabilities that we've developed only for our partner ecosystem for growth. What is unchanged, I think, is our commitment to partner, ease, values. I think we heard both from Ranjan and Ronak, it's all about processes, values, ecosystem. I think, again, needless to say, on all the categories that we are present in, I think one of the few things that we've done, today we've developed, so I'll just take a minute in explaining. We've got one side of the business called business as usual, which is the transactional business that we do. We've invested on project management. We've invested on customer engagement. We've invested on alliances. So we have now a relationship with the big fours. We are now investing on project management because this is something that has come from a lot of partners. With the complexity at the customer and increasing, how do you ensure that there is somebody who's able to entirely project manage the transaction? So I think we'll discuss that over the evening drinks. I don't want to talk about, so we are there across most of the ecosystem. The only thing I can assure you, if there is anything that your customer needs, if there is anything that you don't have a capability in your organization, count on us. I stand committed to ensure that that capability will be brought to you for your set of customers so that you can win with your customer.